Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, where 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power 4. Or this 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x, we can write it as 2 times 4 to the power x is equal to right side, this is 4 to the power of 4, or this 2 times this 4 can be written as 2 square, this is 4, and whole to the power this x is equal to this 4. We can write 2 square, this is 4, and whole to the power this 4, or this 2 times, applying this exponential formula, a to the power b and whole to the power of c is equal to a to the power this b times c. Applying this formula here, 2 square whole to the power x, this 2 as a to the power this as b, and this x as c. So comparing this, 2 to the power of 2 times x. So we can write 2 to the power of this 2 times of x, that is twice x, is equal to, similarly applying this formula here, we can write 2 to the power this 2 times 4. So 2 times 4, or this 2, this is 2 to the power of 1, this is 2 times this 2 to the power of this twice x is equal to, right side it will be 2 to the power of 2 times 4, this is 8, or again applying another exponential formula, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So applying this formula, this as a to the power of this one as m times this as a to the power of this twice x as n. So we can write it as this 2 to the power of m plus n, that means this 1 plus this twice x. So 1 plus twice x is equal to, right side this is 2 to the power of 8. Or now the base of both side is same, so the power of both side will be equal. So we can write 1 plus twice x is equal to, this power is 8. Or taking this 1 to right side, we will get twice x is equal to this 8 minus 1, or this twice x is equal to 8 minus 1, this is 7. Now divided both side by these 2, we'll get the value of x is equal to, right side is 7 over 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.